Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. Tomorrow's Monday. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And don't forget, Prime Day is going to be epic this year. The 15th through the 16th. Epic deals. So definitely check these guys out. Link is going to be down below. Take advantage of the low cost right now. It's 56% off. Normally it's around 160, and you can get it for under 70 bucks. Here we go. I might need to get a couple for my room and for other places, so definitely check these guys out. LANTARK. We got Air Purifier. I think this is a desktop version, so this will be really nice to have for any smoker out there. It has a lot of cool features on it. I'm about to get inside to see what this is and take a look at how it operates. And see, here we go. So this would be nice for your office, your man cave, bathrooms, anywhere you get dust. This will help out the dust. Oh, we got the cord just popped out. Go, because man, my allergies are acting up crazy this year. There we go. Ooh, nice size here. Where is the top? Where is the bottom? Alright, I guess it goes like that. We got the manual. I might not need that. I'll learn on my own. Here we go. So it's a LANTARK Air Purifier. That's a nice size. And I got a plug available. Yeah, I do. Actually, I'll do this on my desktop or on my computer desk. But we got the cord. Simple. 9 volt, I do believe. 12 volt. Okie dokie. Just gonna tangle this up really quick and see how it works. And like I said, take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. Get one of these in no time. Fast ship. Okay, plug it in. There's the front. LANTARK ion. Not exactly sure what the ion means, but I'll figure that out. Power, ion, speed. Open the base cover, take out the adapter, remove the filter bag for use. Okay. And down here, lock. Oh, kind of hard to do it one hand. So we'll raise you guys up right there. There we go. Come on. You just gotta pop it open. There we go. There we go. Alright, alright. See, I remove that. I'm sure you could buy extra filters, but these should last a while. A few months. I guess if you're a heavy smoker, you got a smoke room, you might want to grab a couple extra filters. But like I said, I'm hoping this helps with my allergies, sinuses, whatever you want to call it. It's been really bad though this year. I mean, I just don't know. Just never had this issue with them this bad. There we go. Never had it when I was a kid, but when I was 21 I got jumped, and then that started it from there. All my allergies and everything. And a broken nose, concussion, and 32 plates put in my left cheek. So good times, I tell you. But ever since that happened, I've been having a crazy amount of allergies, especially when it gets warmer like this. Wintertime's not too bad, but it's more or less right now when it gets crazy hot or muggy. How do I put this thing in? There we go. Lock and loaded. Now we gotta lock it. There we go. Locked. And open. Alright, remove that. Bag is gone. I'm gonna put this on my desk because I got an extra plug there. And I do know for sure I do. And we're about to see what this thing does. So bear with me when I just plug it in. Gotta find my empty spot. Oh yeah, way down here. And I'll be with you guys in a second. I haven't gone nowhere. I'm just right at my computer spot right now. Gotta get my adapter. There we go. Plugging her in right now. Alright, made a little beep. Only thing I wish this thing had was a remote control. That'd be kind of cool. There we go. Alright. Looks like the power is on. There we go. You got an ion going. Get you. All right, it is quiet though. Sensitive, really sensitive, but could feel it. And you can definitely have this in your bedroom too. It won't disturb your sleep. Okay, that's low. I can feel it, but it's really super quiet. So before bed, you just want to hit it one time and then 2 times for the speed. Smoking that could go up in there. Oops. Really cool though. Nice size. Doesn't take up too much space. And yeah, it's super quiet. So like I said, it's like a 56% off sale going on right now. And usually they're like $159. I think this is under $70. So it's like $65. So definitely buy a couple for you guys. And check them out. So I'm definitely gonna get a couple more probably today. So, super quiet though, and see if you guys can hear it. Yeah, it's not that loud at all. That side. Yeah. So really cool. And then that's LANTARK. And we got just like 2 weeks until Amazon Prime Day. So definitely I think the sale ends soon though for the 56% off. I'll show you really quick. Pull it up. Oops. Because I get a lot of dust in my room from my electronics and stuff, so this is another good way to keep it dust free, I hope. So we got that 5-in-1 True HEPA filter air purifier for allergies, smokers, eliminates odors, dust mites, mold, spores, pollen, germs, pet, speed, desktop. So right there it's like $69.99. So $169 to get $90. You save 56% off. So all you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your cart, and check out. And then you get it fast shipped too. 1 day shipping. That is insane. Pretty soon it's gonna be like 2 hours shipping, which will be really crazy. But yeah, all you gotta do, check them out. Be safe, YouTubers. Have a great Sunday, and see ya.